So recently Samsung has released its latest Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro, and some days back YouTube was flooded with the review of the Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro as the review embargo was lifted. And after watching all those videos, I understood just one thing, that the Galaxy Watch 5 is a slight refinement of the already good Galaxy Watch 4. So in this video I'm going to tell you 4 good reasons to buy the Galaxy Watch 4 over the Galaxy Watch 5. So if you are up to buying a smartwatch, then watch this video till the end because it is really interesting and surprising. So hello guys, I'm your host Arnav and you are watching Tech Arena, and if you're watching my channel for the first time, well, I create tech videos and upload every day, so make sure to subscribe to our channel because you'll be watching a lot of interesting tech videos in the coming days. And not only that, share this video with all of your friends who are about to buy a smartwatch. And like this video for the efforts taken to make this video possible, and also for the algorithm to suggest this video to many other viewers. Alright, so let's move to the 4 good reasons to buy the Galaxy Watch 4 over the Galaxy Watch 5. So the first reason will be obviously design. So whenever a new product is being launched by a brand, the first and foremost thing that people look for is the design of that particular product and also compare it with the previous generation of that same product. So in terms of the design of the Galaxy Watch 5, it is exactly the same of the Galaxy Watch 4 except for the Pro variant, which is the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, where they've eliminated the existence of the physical ring, instead have kept a curvature where you can slide across all the menus by just swiping around. That is a small design change, but I feel that the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic's physical ring is much more good in terms of the usage because the rotating bezel is not accurate as a physical ring. So in terms of the Pro variant, that is quite different, but if you compare the normal Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 4, there's zero design change. If you give these watches to a normal person, they won't be able to find any difference between the Galaxy Watch 5 and the Watch 4 until and unless they take a deep look at it. I'm not saying that there is absolutely no difference in between the looks of Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 4. In fact, the Watch 5 has a slight bump to the backside of the watch to have better contact, also has additional microphone on the right side of the watch, and also has a temperature sensor behind the watch. But these are very small changes to be noticed on the first glance, as I said. So yes, the first and good reason to avoid buying the Galaxy Watch 5 is the similar design of the Galaxy Watch 4 that is already good and the best Android smartwatch. The second reason to avoid the Galaxy Watch 5 is of course the processor. Now the Galaxy Watch 4 came with Samsung Gizmos W920, which is the exact processor being used in the Watch 5 series as well. So in terms of the raw processing power, both of these smartwatches have the same capabilities, and not only that, just because both of these have the similar processor, in terms of the software support, both of them will have the same years of software support as well. So this is a really good reason to avoid the Galaxy Watch 5. Instead go for the Galaxy Watch 4, which is much more cheaper and works the same way as the Galaxy Watch 5. The third reason to avoid the Galaxy Watch 5 is because it has the same hardware and software features as the Galaxy Watch 4. So I do agree that the Galaxy Watch 5 has an additional temperature sensor which you can't actually use right now because Samsung has not enabled that. They've promised to enable that in the future software update. But apart from that temperature sensor, there's practically zero difference in terms of the software and hardware features of the Galaxy Watch 5 and the Watch 4. Software features and hardware features are one of the biggest differentiators of any product when you compare it with its predecessor or its competitors. So in terms of the software and hardware features, both have similar experience to it, and that is a really good reason to avoid buying the much expensive Galaxy Watch 5. Instead, you can buy the Galaxy Watch 4 itself. Alright, so the last and final reason to avoid the Galaxy Watch 5 is of course the price. So if you see the price of the starting variant of the Galaxy Watch 5, it costs around 28,000 rupees here in India. While if you compare the price of the Galaxy Watch 4, you can get it for as low as 14,000 rupees, which is a 14,000 rupee difference in itself. So for the price of buying the Galaxy Watch 5, you can actually buy 2 Galaxy Watch 4s instead. Price is the important factor of your buying decision because both of these watches have similar hardware and software features, similar internal components, similar design, and what else do you need? Yes, I do agree that Galaxy Watch 5 has some differentiating factors like slightly bigger battery, bump on the back, additional microphone, and also faster charging speeds. I don't consider these differences to be groundbreaking because I feel that the Galaxy Watch 4 is already a good watch and I can pull off that particular battery life which Galaxy Watch 5 offers by turning off some settings on my watch which I don't require. Now, the whole purpose or intention of creating this video is not to rant about the Galaxy Watch 5 or the Watch 5 Pro. In fact, Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro is still the best Android smartwatch that exists right now. And I would blindly recommend this to a person who has money to buy it. But this video is made with the intention to make people understand the major differences between two of these watches and to save little bit of their money. So yes, these are the 4 good reasons to avoid buying the Galaxy Watch 5. Instead, you can buy the old Galaxy Watch 4 itself, which is already one of the best smartwatches in the Android market. Anyways, what do you guys think about the reasons which I told? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. And as always, share this video with all of your friends, like this video for the efforts taken to make this video possible, and also subscribe to our channel because we upload a lot of interesting tech videos on daily basis. And don't forget to hit the notification icon to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. For now, this is me, Arnav, signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.